Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WooCommerce accounting exports detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the WooCommerce login page. Enter your username or email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. Click on the login button to access your WooCommerce dashboard. Once logged in, locate the left sidebar menu. Scroll down and find the WooCommerce section. Hover over WooCommerce to reveal the submenu. Click on Settings from the submenu options. In the Settings page, navigate to the Accounts and Privacy tab. Ensure the relevant settings are configured for your accounting exports. Next, look for the Integrations tab in the Settings menu. Click on it to view available integrations for accounting software. Find and select the accounting export tool that you are using. Follow the prompts to link your WooCommerce account with your accounting software. After completing the integration, navigate back to the main WooCommerce dashboard. Look for the Reports section in the sidebar. Click on Reports and then select Export from the options. Choose the specific data you wish to export from the drop-down menus. Select the date range and other relevant filters for the export. Finally, click the Export button to download your accounting data. Check your Downloads folder for the exported file. If necessary, repeat the process for any additional data exports needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.